How to delete a Gmail account on Android. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a Gmail account on Android. So let's get started. First of all, you got to open your Gmail account, and over here you got to click on your profile icon over here. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see your accounts over here. You can also click on Google account, and once you click on Google account, you will be redirected to an interface that will look something like this. So what you got to do is you got to scroll and find for the option that says data and privacy, or you can also select the particular Google account that you wish to delete if you have multiple Google accounts. So once you click on data and privacy, you'll be able to see something like this. So you got to scroll all the way down till you find the option of delete Google account. So over here you can see that there's this option that says delete your Google account. So you can just click on that. And once you click on that, you'll be able to see something like this. So it's basically gonna verify whether it's really you who wants to delete the account. So you can either, verify using your face lock or typing down your password, or also typing down your PIN code of your phone. And after that, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So you gotta read this very carefully. And after that, you can scroll down and just enable these boxes, and then you can just click on delete account. So that was how you can delete your Gmail account on Android. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.